I just seen a shark attack. I'm filming it. Fuck. He got knocked out by a shark. There's a shark swimming on his kayak right now.
You mean a person?
No, you look at, see that kayak?
Yeah.
The trucker just got knocked out of his kayak by a shark.
You mean a person?
Yeah. See his kayak?
Yeah.
The shark's pushing it around. It'll break the water again. Holy shit. See it?
Did you call someone?
Yes, look at the kayak. See the shark?
Yeah.
See the fin?
Oh my god.
See the fin? It's swimming towards the guy now. Holy
Who did we call?
I don't know. Oh shit. Call somebody, Karen.
Hi, this is room 314, and we just see that there's a man in a kayak who got knocked over out there, right in front of our room. There's a couple of sailboats and a red kayak, and I'm not making this up, I think that there's a shark that's kind of like pushing around. If you look out, you'll see it right away, and see who was that. Thank you, bye-bye.
I called.
Yeah, the shark knocked him out of his kayak and started pushing his kayak around. I think it's going away. See him in the kayak now?
You have it on film?
Yeah, I'm filming right now.
Those people are just staring at him. I'm helping them.
That's a big ass shark. The shark is wider